Hello everybody, how are you today? My lips got stuck to my teeth. Hello everybody, how are you today? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Corie, and today I wanted to do a twist on the fox eye trend. I wanted to try the fox eye trend, but there's already a million of them, so I wanted to add a little bit of color to it. So I'm going to take my Myself and Mmmmitchell palette. I never know how to like say that. My hair is a mess. I have clips in my hair already. I already filmed this look once and I hated it, so I took it off. I think what I'm gonna do this time is I'm actually gonna start with my face. Shocker, I know. I'm gonna start with my Cover FX Water Cloud Primer. Feels so amazing on the skin. One thing that I forgot to mention is the fox eye trend, a big part of it are the brows being straight. However, things are starting to open up where I am, and I actually got my eyebrows microbladed today, so I don't have anything in them right now. This is just how they came out, so I'm not gonna put anything in them because I don't want them to get infected. Normally I would straighten them out a little bit more. I just wanted to put that out there so that we don't get confused. Okay, I'm gonna take my Becca Skin Love foundation. Also, please don't come for me in the comments for going to get my eyebrows microbladed. We both were wearing masks. Things are starting to open up where I am. Restaurants are open, so don't come for me. I had my period last week and I broke out so bad. I don't normally break out that bad from my period, but for some reason, this time, I would have waited to film until later after my eyebrows started to heal, but I'm actually leaving to go to my family cabin, just me and my mom, and so I'm not gonna be able to film. I feel like this is looking really yellow on me today for some reason. I don't know why. For a second, I thought I wasn't filming and I was gonna be real upset. Going in with my Bare Minerals Bare Pro Concealer. Going over all of these spots that look like trash. Yeah, I tried to do this look maybe like an hour ago. It just did not go well at all. This foundation looks like it does not match me. I promise it does. Under eye concealer, Tarte Rainforest of the Sea. And what I'm gonna do with this for the fox eye look, we're just gonna drag it up and that'll kind of give us a more defined, uplifted look. Before I set that, I'm going to put on my Makeup Forever eye primer. And then I'm gonna take just a little bit more of my foundation and put that all over my eyelid. Kind of carve out that brow. If you're wondering about carving out your brow and that whole process, and like the straight across brow for the fox eye look, I'm going to link a video down below. Jamie Page did an excellent job of this tutorial. I just didn't want to go through the brow process. I was just too excited to film. So going to set all of that with my Laura Mercier translucent powder under my eye, on my eyelid. So the concealer already lifted our eyes a little bit. Next step, contour. I'm gonna take my Anastasia Tawny bronzer. I'm gonna contour my face pretty much like normal. I'm gonna put my contour a little bit higher than I normally do, just to kind of lift my face even more. So I'm almost placing it like where I normally put my blush, on my temples. Blending that out with a powder brush, and then I'm gonna top my face bronzer with my Milani Soleil. I'm blending that out. Taking a little eye brush with my tawny bronzer, I'm gonna zoom you in. I'm gonna take a little bit of that and just go up from my lower lash line. It's like you're following it, and I'm gonna drag it all the way out to my temple. That already lifts your face a ton. Deepen that up and just kind of blend it in a little bit. already we're so much more lifted. Take in just a little bit, that same bronzer into your crease a little bit. It's really quite a simple eye makeup look. We're just gonna add a little bit of color. I'm gonna finish up my face first though. I'm gonna take my MAC Warm Soul Blush and just top that bronzer just a little bit. And then take my Makeup Forever, as always, my Makeup Forever Pro Fusion Highlight in the shade 02 on my beauty sponge. And I'm also gonna take that right above my brow just to help lift us just a little bit more. Going back with that contour brush that I did here, I'm just gonna deepen that up a little bit. And you can leave this contour as like deep as you want it. And I'm gonna kind of take it all the way out onto my temple, because that's just gonna help with that lift, you know? I just picked, now that we've got that eye going, drag it all the way up, drag it in. Now comes the fun part. Taking the Myself and Mmmmitchell palette, I am going to take the shade, palette is honestly really hard to hold up to the camera. Moody Mitch, navy, that navy, wait. That one. Okay, I'm gonna take that shade. Ooh, I kind of like the green too. No, we'll play with the green another day, Corie. Calm down. And I'm just gonna take it on a small angled brush and I'm gonna do some winged liner. And I personally am gonna make it pretty dramatic. And I'm just gonna take it about halfway in on my lash line. Now that we got that pretty dramatic wing, I'm gonna take a pencil brush and we're gonna blend it out just with that same shade, because you don't want it to be too perfect. And with this, I can take it a little bit farther in to my lid on my lash line. I'm gonna blend it out with the shade next to Moody Mitch, Mist, that light blue. I'm gonna darken up my contour going out to my temple. I'm just gonna darken that line so that it just looks a little bit more lifted. This looks like trash. All right. I'm going back with my liner brush and I'm just gonna try to clean this up a little bit. Just trying to sharpen up that point a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna clean up this underside. Ooh, that fixed a lot of my problems. Back with that shader brush and my contour, I'm just gonna clean that up again. Ooh, okay, that's better. Powder brush to blend things so we don't look too muddy. I'm gonna take that same liner brush and take that lighter mist shade again, and I'm gonna go and put that on the inner part of my lash line. Okay, I'm liking this a lot better now. Taking just that same angular shade, I'm gonna take that light blue on my lower lash line. Keep like dipping down because it's just so hard for me to do liner. I'm gonna take that same contouring brush and just blend out that lower lash line. Ain't nobody want a harsh lower lash line. I'm gonna take translucent powder and I'm gonna carve out this contour bake. I just feel like it's not snatched enough. Same contouring brush. This is like, how few of brushes can I use and make this work? I'm gonna contour my nose. I'm gonna put on lashes. My lips look 99.9% parched, don't they? Okay, but look how snatched that looks. Ooh, one thing with the foxy trend, when you are putting on your lashes, if you lift on the corner and put it just a little bit on your lid, it will give you that, a little bit more of that lift. So things are starting to open up here where I'm at. What is the status where you guys are? I know that LA has been extended for like another 3 months, but what about where you're at? I wanna know. Let me know in the comments. Also, here is your mid video reminder to subscribe if you have not already. You can watch me mess up my makeup like every time pretty much. While my lash is drying over here, I'm gonna blend this out. Give me a much crisper contour. All right, while those are drying, I'm gonna put my lower lash mascara on, which is the Covergirl Lash Blast Fusion. And I'm gonna line my lips with the Urban Decay Naked. That's just what I've been into recently. I'm gonna pause my filming for a second, but I'm gonna pause my recording. I'm going to put on my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm gonna apply this Wet n Wild Mega Last Matte Lipstick in Mochalicious. So I'll be back. Okay, so here is the finished look. My hair is a travesty. My skin is a travesty. Heinous. Oh well. Anyways, this is the finished look. I'm not completely sold on the lip, but I don't have another one close by. So this is what we're going with. I actually really like how the eyes turned out. If you really wanted to lift your face, snatch your hair up into a ponytail or a high bun, and you're gonna look so lifted. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already to watch me screw up my makeup every single week. I upload every Sunday, as you guys are aware. I love you guys so much, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye everybody.